We're back, and you're ready to see all that we told you last time. So what's going on is, well, she might get her man. He might engage her. And Crowfolder might come back. What do you think will happen? Well, watch on now. You dog, you just blew a kiss at me. Yes, Commander. Get rid of that dog. It's too little peculiar to stay there. Yes, Commander. What are you doing here? I told you to never come back. Now you've made me. You've made me. I didn't mean to. I didn't. I'm sorry, but Commander said. Okay, I'll leave. Please let me go. Be gone and tell your commander to come here himself. Well, Darlie, I know this is a weird question, but would you like to marry me? No, I don't think so. I've been trying to get your attention all along, and you just ignore me. I don't need you. I can find someone else. And that's what I say. Now, leave me if you must. But please, I love you. Should have thought of that before you ignored me all those days. I'm sorry. Please, marry me. Please. You've proved to me that you love me, and that makes me so shocked. And that's why I'd say yes. Thank you. Thank you.